Setting up a YouTube channel involves a few essential steps to establish your channel's identity and optimize its functionality. Here's a guide to the basic settings you should configure for your YouTube channel. 1. Sign in to YouTube. Visit YouTube's website and sign in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. 2. Create a channel. Click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to create a new YouTube channel associated with your Google account. 3. Channel name and description. Choose a unique and descriptive name for your channel that reflects the type of content you'll be sharing. Write a compelling channel description that briefly explains what your channel is about and what viewers can expect. 4. Channel art. Upload a visually appealing and high-resolution channel banner or cover image that represents your channel. The recommended size for channel art is 2560 by 1440 pixels, with a maximum file size of 6 megabytes. Ensure that your channel art looks good on different devices by using the YouTube template provided. 5. Profile picture. Upload a recognizable and professional profile picture or logo that represents you or your brand. The image should be a square with a minimum resolution of 800 by 800 pixels. 6. Channel trailer. Create a channel trailer video that introduces your channel and showcases your best content. The trailer should be short, engaging, and compelling to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Set the trailer as your channel's featured video. 7. About section. Fill out the About section of your channel with relevant information. Include details about your channel, upload schedule, contact information, and links to your website or social media profiles. This helps viewers learn more about your channel and stay connected. 8. Privacy settings. Go to the Settings section of your channel and review the privacy settings. Choose whether you want your channel to be public or private, and adjust other privacy preferences according to your preference. 9. Channel layout. Customize the layout of your channel to make it visually appealing and organized. Rearrange the sections on your channel homepage to highlight your best content or playlists. You can also add channel sections to curate content categories for easy navigation. 10. Channel tags. Add relevant tags to your channel to help YouTube understand the content you create. These tags can improve your channel's discoverability and visibility in search results. 11. Monetization. If you plan to monetize your channel through the YouTube Partner Program, go to the Monetization section in YouTube Studio to set up your monetization preferences, including linking your AdSense account. 12. Enable channel features. Explore and enable additional features such as live streaming, custom thumbnails, external annotations, end screens, and cards to enhance viewer engagement and interaction. Remember to regularly review and update your channel settings as your channel evolves and your content strategy changes. These basic settings provide a solid foundation for launching and optimizing your YouTube channel. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.